Realty, focus on Nova Real Estate. Today we have prepped for our open houses and we are ready to go. We have two today, one at 5912 New England Woods Drive in Burke Center from 1 to 4, and then this one right here at 12326 Cannonball Road in Fairfax. This particular listing is listed at $710,000. It offers 5 bedrooms upstairs with 3 full bathrooms upstairs and just under 5,000 square feet on all 3 levels. So what we do to get ready to our opens is we push it out on social media. We let everybody know what's happening. We've got the sign directionals out so drive-by traffic can see it. We welcome our guests with this fancy new sign that we'll be using at all of our listings. And then come on in, I'll show you the treats and goodies that we have and give you a quick snapshot of this tour. Please feel free to check out any of the Century 21 Redwood listings at c21stories.com, and if you put in the address of the property, you'll be able to find it. Over here, we're going to go right through the dining room and into the kitchen where we've got it set up. Whenever anybody comes in, we do ask that they sign in twofold. We want to know who you are. Number 2, we want to know if you're working with an agent. And number 3, we want to know how you found us. Lastly, we always offer a little bit of snacks. We've got some seltzer, Rice Krispie treats, chocolate chip cookies, and some guacamole for those of you who have the salty, savory preferences. Long story short, come on by. This is a great home. It feeds the Willow Springs Elementary School, Lanier, and Fairfax High School. Pyramid, we're right across the street from the Costco in Fairfax at West Ox Road. Come on by, we're here till 4.